Look at what came today. Federal Express. It's part of the packing material. It is Cool View. They're non-original equipment, aftermarkets, but they're replacement mirrors. They're replacement mirrors. And looky, I have them installed. They're on the car on both sides. Actually, one came Federal Express. Guess which box came Federal Express? Can you guess which one? Guess which one came by US mail? I bet you can guess which one. Yeah, okay. If you can't guess, it's pretty obvious. The torn box came Federal Express, but look at those mirrors. I haven't tried them out yet to see if they work. They are aftermarkets after all. So I'm gonna try them out right now to see if these power mirrors work. And I would imagine I'd have to have the key on to do this. Oh, here we go. No, they don't. Look, I don't need a key on. Look at that. They're working. Let's see if this one works over here. Yeah. You can now see behind me when I get ready to start driving. So yeah, we got mirrors. We got mirrors. Ooh, box blew off. Mirrors and windows. Look at that. And up she goes. Like it's supposed to, and up she goes. And the windows work, the mirrors work. It's starting to look like a car again. Turn that off. So we are very happy today. Very, very happy today. Because last night I was thinking, man, I sure would like if that quarter glass showed up today, but you know what? It showed up yesterday. There's the quarter glass. There's the quarter glass for that quarter window that's broken out. So I've got all the glass now. The car is starting to look more and more like a car every day. We cleaned up the rear window today and soldered back the defroster tabs that got ripped off when they took the window out. Personally, I think it was the window they had laying around the junkyard. Wasn't the window I was looking at, because the window I was looking at didn't have window tint on it, and the one they sold me does. Now there ain't nothing I can do about that. But yeah, look at that. Coming along, folks. More to come. The windows are the next thing. The windshield, the windshield, the back glass, and the quarter glass. That's all going to be done on the same day. So we'll be doing a video of that when that gets completed, and then we're going to take it for a drive after everything cures and sets up. But it's getting there. More to come.